Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the euro has been very, very weak to the downside. I do think this is probably a double three pattern. I think it's 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, and now very likely five down. Probably going to end up taking out this low before it really does end up continuing back up like that. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can clearly see the double three. Now what really needs to stick out is that this is three waves up right here, which means that's all part of the crescent. So impulsive down, three waves up, impulsive down is the first three, and then you have 1, 2, 3 up for this three, and most likely we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for the five. So a 3, 3, 5 pattern is a very recognizable pattern according to Elliot wave. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this euro dollar is stretching out to the point where it really cannot be a wave 5 anymore. Originally, during the election last week, we were thinking that this right here was the wave 5 and we were going to go up and make a big wave 2. But this is definitely stretching out to the point where I don't think that's true anymore. I actually think that we're probably already in the wave 3, especially looking at the higher time frames, which means that this probably is very likely to continue making lower lows, lower highs. If this really is a wave 3, then this downtrend is probably nowhere near over. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, very strong downtrend. I definitely would not be trying to buy this downtrend. Now, if we do get a break of structure to the upside on the 4 hour time frame, that would at least tell us that this wave is over. And if that wave is over, then we can throw our Fibonacci retracement out there and look for a three-wave reversal to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. But in order for that to even be possible, we need to see a break of structure on around the 4 hour time frame. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I definitely wouldn't be trying to buy at this thing right now. And if we do get this Fibonacci, or if we do get this break of structure like this, then that only proves that this wave is over. More than likely, if this really is a wave 3 on the higher time frames, which it's definitely starting to look like it is, then a break of structure would only tell us that the last wave is over, which means you would put your Fibonacci retracement on there, and you would look for a three-wave reversal, a Fibonacci bounce, to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, this all relies on whether or not we get a break of structure. No break of structure means no pullback. So even if you do get a break of structure, it's probably just going to be an ABC crescent to the downtrend. But it definitely doesn't have to do this. It could easily keep on drifting down. So if you don't see a break, definitely don't expect to see much of a pullback. If you do see a break, throw your Fibonacci retracement on there, look for three waves up, look for them golfing down at a fib level to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.